said, skirt, skirt, all niggas, skirt up, all niggas, skirt down, you.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video about how to make custom bags. I've made one about a year ago, but on that video you can't really see and a lot of people couldn't hear me, so I thought I'd just remake it with a more updated one also on what I use. So those two bags I got from Dollar Tree, and then that is the cutout I used with my silhouette, and that's the glittery vinyl I got from Michael's. And there is my transfer tape. Also, you're gonna see me make a mistake on here. I used a brand new piece of that tape, so it kind of got stuck to the bag. When you're doing this, you want to get one that you've used a couple times so that it's not really sticky. Don't use a brand new piece. So here I'm just using a credit card to pick up the vinyl. And to make sure that I get all of them picked up, I go along each letter to make sure it really sticks, and then just go like over the whole design that you're doing. But yeah, just go between like each thing so that there's like no air bubbles also, so that it picks up. Okay, so when I start to pick it up, I just take my time, because in case like you didn't rub it all the way, if one piece isn't picking up, you can just lay it right back down and go over it again with your card or whatever it is you're using. So yeah, you'll just see I kind of rip it pretty slow, and I hold down the paper that the vinyl's on and just pull it off slowly to make sure you get everything picked up. So I'm just gonna center it kind of where I want the name to be, and get my card again and just go over it. And you're pretty much gonna want to do the same thing you were doing when you were trying to pick it up. Go over each letter, go over the whole design, try to make sure there's no like air bubbles if you see one, trying to get it out. And like I mentioned, with a bag, do not use a brand new piece of transfer tape. That's where I messed up. I grabbed a brand new piece because all my other pieces were really small and cut up already. You just want to get one that you've used a couple times, or try to make it, less sticky before you use it. Because once I start to pick it up, you'll see that some of the bag ripped off. Not a whole lot where it made a big difference, but yeah. So you can see the little pieces over there like by the eye that got picked up. But once you get it off, that's how it looks. And it looks just really cute and simple. And that's the way to do it if you have a Silhouette or Cameo machine or whatever. Now, if you don't have a machine, this is the easiest way to do it. Just get you some clear sticker paper. I used the Avery brand because that's what I already had. Use whatever brand you like. And then I just printed it out with my printer, the design. Mine looks kind of weird because my regular printer ran out of ink. So this one, I end up using my inkjet printer, which has sublimation ink in it because I use it for sublimation. So for mine, it looks a little weird, but yours should look good if you use the one with regular ink. So yeah, it's just clear sticker paper. Print your design off, rip off the back, and throw it on the bag is the easiest way I've found to do it. Versus, it's the same I did in my last video. I just didn't use clear sticker paper, and I feel like the clear, depending on your design, looks better. So yeah. So these are both the bags. As you can see, the parts that it picked up off the bag. It wasn't a lot. Obviously, you want to pull it off slow. And then that's the one with the sticker. As you can see, you can kind of see the sticker, but it doesn't look bad. And of course, like I said, with my printer, the lettering could have been brighter, but I had to use a different printer. But anyways, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed.